You're welcome. Hold on to them. Y'all ain't never had a donut.
Don't do it. No,
Don't do it. Callie, for real, please. Like, I'm begging you. I'm Callie.
What?
Don't do it, please. I'm gonna cry.
You said don't do it?
Don't.
Do it.
What you scared of?
I just don't like donuts. Like, no. I'm not one of them.
How you gonna say something that you ain't never had? Your daddy used to do it?
All the time.
DeAndre broke his car doing that. I had mom's phone with me because she left it with me.
Technically, that wasn't a donut. You see what I'm saying? Donut's gonna take you round and round.
The ice cream went flying. I was so excited.
You guys are funny.
We're gonna get on the highway too. Yeah, that'll be
Bitch, that means let me by.
This lane's going faster.
Dick liquor? That's my language. Okay. Yeah, I got the kids smoking and they ain't on drugs.
You can't go down the window.
Yeah, I can't.
Got allergies. I mean, not allergies. Everybody in this car has asthma.
shut the door, please. Y'all are scary.
I don't like car stuff, okay?
You know you sit over there.
You don't like car stuff. Your car gets you from work, from A to B. You should
Yeah, I
love
like
your car.
driving in my car to go to work. I don't like cars that go over 100. Or even-
Your car goes over that.
I never did it.
So the young ones like to speed like me. Y'all don't, huh?
No, because there's no reason.
And this is a machine. It's a toy. It loves you like you love
It's a
it.
toy?
Yeah. This is. It's not a regular car. Like, I made this. You can't go buy them like this. When I get it painted, get my windshield fixed, you'll see the outcome of it. Will this, Robin?
Somebody knocked over that trash. Is that our trash can?
Where? Right there? I think that's our neighbors. Somebody's way down there. Gotta be our neighbors. And that will conclude today's segment of How You Riding with Callie when we rode to Freddys.
No
And
way.
that-